Hey guys, what's happening? How to fix restore from iCloud time remaining estimating. So the key here, if that message pops up or you got a notification somewhere, patience is key, right? So a delay of 10 to 13 minutes or some cases hours needs to be on check, right? So you need to be patient because those kind of things takes time, right? Those kind of things take time. So be patient and always make sure that your Wi-Fi is good, it's solid, right? So go ahead to your settings, right? And make sure if you don't have a powerful connection, switch to a more powerful Wi-Fi or turn on the cellular data. That way you're going to be able to make sure that you can restore the files from your iCloud in the time being. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and always remember, patience is key. See you in the next one.